Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. Hi, my name is Caleb, and welcome to Cooking with Caleb. Today on the show, we're gonna have a guest come on, the well-known sister from the church down the road, Sister Kyle. Hi, Sister Kyle. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Caleb. You know, I've been looking for a recipe for glycolysis, but just can't seem to find one. Teach me, Daddy.
All right, Sister. Well, as you know, glycolysis is the breaking down of glucose.
Oh, okay.
All right, and so we're gonna come here. We're gonna get our glucose. Glucose actually means splitting of sugars. All right, so you can get a good idea of what it is. Take the glucose and you break it off into the 2-pyruvate.
2-pyruvate.
All right, glucose started as a 6-carbon molecule, and now it's 2 3-carbons in the pyruvate.
Okay.
All right, and that's the step for glycolysis. We're gonna go to commercial quick, and then we're gonna come back with the oxidation of pyruvate. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Cooking with Caleb. Thanks for not changing that channel. Now we're going to bring on a guest. I think her name's Becky. Sort of a little shy, so let's welcome Becky onto the stage.
Woo, yeah, Becky.
Hey Becky, how's your day going? Not very good? Alright, well what can I help you with, Becky?
I don't get oxidation of pyruvate.
Alright, well, have no fear, Becky, because I happen to be an expert on oxidation of pyruvate. Okay. So here we got the this is 1 pyruvate molecule. Alright? And then we take the pyruvate and we bring it into the matrix. Alright? CO2 is then released. Here you go, you can have one of these. Thanks. Good, huh? Alright?
No.
And then it gets oxidized into acetyl-CoA. As you guys can see here, acetyl-CoA. This is just one of them. Remember, there's always 2 of those because there's 2 pyruvate molecules. Alright? And then, let's look at my recipe here for a sec. And then, we're going to take the acetyl-CoA and it's going to react with the oxyl acetate. Reacted. Alright, got that, Becky? Remember that oxyl acetate. It's kind of a tongue twister. And then, from there, we're going to take it and we're going to ship it off to the Kreb Cycle. Can you take it over to the Kreb Cycle for me, Becky?
You bet, Daddy.
Thank you. And now another commercial break. We'll see you guys in a few. Hi, and welcome back to Caleb's Cooking Channel. As you know, if you were here last time in the episode, Becky helped us out with the acetyl-CoA and the oxidation of pyruvate. So now we're going to welcome Jessica onto the stage, and she's going to help us out with the Kreb Cycle. Welcome, Jessica.
Hey.
Alright, that's a nice dog you got there.
Thanks.
What's his name?
You don't want to know.
Okay. So you need help with the Kreb Cycle, right, Jessica?
You know what?
Okay. Well, as you know, we had the acetyl-CoA that got oxidized from pyruvate. Alright? And now, let me look at my recipe here. It was transported into the Kreb Cycle, which is also in the matrix. Alright? And funny thing about the Kreb Cycle is it's actually known as the citric acid cycle.
Good one, good looking.
Alright, and so now, with the Kreb Cycle, basically what we want to do after it's cooled down a little bit, we're going to break it up in a bunch of pieces, and we're going to get at the carbon. Here's our carbon.
Wow, you really know what you're doing.
You want to try a carbon?
No, thank you.
Alright.
Maybe you later, though.
Okay, Becky, or Jessica. We're going to have to remember that this is a family show.
Family show, yep.
Alright? No more of that. Okay. And so alright, well, we're done with the Kreb Cycle. Thanks for helping us out, Jessica. And don't come back, alright?
Okay.
We're going to take a commercial. Hi there. Welcome back to Kaleb's Cooking Channel. Oh, sorry. You must not have heard me. Welcome back to Kaleb's Cooking Channel. We just got done with the Kreb Cycle, alright? With, what's her name? Jessica. Sorry about that, folks. She was, pretty inappropriate. We don't have that stuff on our show. And now, we're gonna welcome my good friend, Jimmy, to the stage. Welcome aboard, Jimmy.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming. How's it going? Yeah. Alright, so the Electron Transport Chain. Do you know anything about the Electron Transport Chain?
I think I know a little bit, but...
Well, I'm the producer here.
Well,
so.
yeah.
Alright, so we got our 3 proteins here. We got protein 1, 2, and 3. Alright, I'm going to put this right here. You guys will still be able to hear me, don't worry. So for protein 1, we got our NADH. And then as we know, it goes into the protein, comes back out NAD+. Very important. Now, protein 2 is the same thing, except it's FADH, and it comes out FAD+. And then, after that, the electrons, sorry, that's not the electron, this is the electron, is going to go to protein 3. Alright? And then from there on, we go to the...
ATP synthase.
Yeah, you're right.
And then all the hydrogens that were in the concentration gradient too, they also go down to the ATP synthase and spin the wheel, creating energy, right?
Yeah, that's right, Jimmy. So remember, it's my show though.
Your
right?
show.
I'm going to do the talking.
Okay, your show.
Alright. And,
Okay.
you know what, I'm done. I'm done with, just leave. Thanks. Hi guys. Sorry about my rude friend, Jimmy. There's no room for that on the show. Anyway, back to ATP synthase. So the hydrogen comes up from the top and goes down the ATP synthase tube. And mixes up, twisting the wheel. And then, a byproduct of that is water. Let me tell you something about water. Got a joke for you. If H2O is the formula for water, what is the formula for ice? Anyone?
What is it?
H2O cubed. Well, enough of that nonsense. So yeah, after the ADP and the PI form together in the wheel, out comes ATP. Most of our ATP is from the Electron Transport Chain. Total, in this whole process that we went through, we get about 36 to 38, depending on how many people we're making the food for. And thanks for watching. See you next week. What is this? Not too much.
Sorry.
Right? And where's my apron?
Oh my gosh. Here you go.
Thanks. Why are you crying?
Sorry.
Use me, cause you ain't that average groupie.
Let's give a big round of applause for our sister. Thanks. Good job, sister.
Hey, don't say daddy.
I'm tired of magazines.
What?
Send photos all the things. Take the average black man and ask him that. She got a much back. So fellas,
Hey there.
fellas, your girlfriend got
Hi.
shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake that healthy baby got back.